Welcome to our channel. Today we how to backup Android to Google Photos easy guide step by step clearly. Unlock your Android device. Locate the Google Photos app on your home screen or app drawer. Tap to open the Google Photos app. If prompted, sign in with your Google account credentials. Once inside the app, look for the circular profile icon in the top right corner. Tap on your profile icon. Select Photos Settings from the drop-down menu. In the Settings menu, find and tap on Backup and Sync. Toggle the Backup and Sync switch to the on position. You may be prompted to choose your backup settings. Select the preferred quality for your backups, either high quality or original quality. If using mobile data, review the option to backup using mobile data. Make your selection based on your data plan preferences. Scroll down to Device Folders if you wish to backup specific folders like WhatsApp images. Enable backup for the folders you wish to include. After setting up, return to the main screen of Google Photos. Wait for the app to start backing up your photos and videos. You can check the backup progress in the Photos tab. Once backed up, you can access your photos and videos from any device signed into your Google account. Consider checking back regularly to ensure new photos are being backed up. Your Android device is now successfully backing up photos to Google Photos. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.